once again. Dear students, today I am talking about the grammar unit. That is, you know that the question paper pattern, that is 50 marks for grammar side. So the first 10 marks is for the passage, that is question number 24. So in this question number 24, time management is very important, because 10 passage, if you just cut down your timings in reading the passage only, it's quite you can't manage for answering further questions. So the best method is, first you have to, as you see the question paper through passage, you have to read the question, again go back to the passage, and again come back to the questions reading. That makes you will be very free, that you can identify where the answer is for the which question. So like this, you have to manage the time here 10 minutes, hard is 10 minutes. If those are little slow, try to complete it within 12 minutes. So now the next is question number 25. Here it's very easy to score you 3 marks. Why? Because there will be a stanza given from the poems. The poems are from your workbook itself, that is streams. So compulsory they give one stanza from any of your poems in the textbook. So you have to read the questions again here, again the stanza, and write and they are for 1 mark questions. So don't waste lengthy answers here. You just keep on writing in a word or a phrase or a sentence. Don't go with a lengthy answers just for 1 mark. So even in passage also you have to keep in mind, instead of writing 1 mark, you should not go with 3-4 sentences. You have to go with 1 sentence or a word or a phrase. So like this you have to manage, students. If you practice again and again, if you go through with every question paper, model question papers, you will come to know exactly not to waste. You can pick the time here very much. So this is our question number 24 and 25. So let me talk with the question number now 32, students. So 31 note making. 32 is job application. So job application is a compulsory question, so you can't skip here, and it's very easy to score here also. Already we are taught in the classroom, job application can be written in 2 methods. One is by using the resume, and another one is biodata, that is what we say testimonials. I repeat, this job application can be written in 2 methods. One is by using the resume and another is testimonials, and both the pattern is already in the workbook, and we also solved many applications in the classrooms also, how to write the job application also. So here let me talk very clearly. So your parameters must be, or the elements of the job application must be the left hand side. Left hand side alle baribeku, 1 line gap kodbeku. First from address ke alli ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ಹಾಕಬೇಡಿ. So you have to mention there why, because it will be given in the question paper also. Why, and date. So you have to check the experience. Experience otherwise. So you have to check what the date, within how many days you have to write this job application question. You have to check the question properly. ಅವರು ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅಪ್ಲೈ ವಿತಿನ್ ದಿಸ್ 15 days, ವಿತಿನ್ 1 week. ಸೊ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಡೇಟಿಗೆ ಅಡ್ವರ್ಟೈಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಗೂ ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕಿರೋ ಡೇಟ್ಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ವಿತಿನ್ ಯಾವ ಡೇಟಿಗೆ ನೀವು ಬರಿಬೇಕು, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಡೇಟ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಈಸ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟು ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟು ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೇಡಿ. ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಯೂಸ್ ದ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್, ದ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಾಲ್, ದ commissioner. Like this, the is compulsory, and to address question ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾದಂಥ ಪಂಕ್ಚುಯೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ಓಪನ್ ಪಂಕ್ಚುಯೇಷನ್ ಪ್ಯಾಟ್ರನ್, ಸೊ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ದಿ ಪಂಕ್ಚುಯೇಷನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ one line by line ಬರಿತಾ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು ಟು ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಟು ದಿ ಡಿಯರ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ salutation, dear sir or madam. Next again one line gap, so that is subject. Then reference. Subject means you should write like this: application for the job of, application for the post of manager. Application for the post of lecturer. Application for the post of policeman. Whatever the job they have applied, asked you apply, you must use the word in subject that for application for the post of, like this. Next this one you have to go with a reference. Reference where you referred this. We referred this from the advertisement which appeared in the Hindu, dated ಅಂತ ಎಕ್ಸೆಟ್ರಾ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕ್ವಶನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೋ ಅದನ್ನೇ ರೆಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಆಫ್ ದ ಲೆಟರ್ ಬರೀರಿ. You must be thorough from the workbook only. I told you in the classroom also, only limited words you have to use for the body of the letter. Those are using the resume method, means you have to refer compulsory the workbook mentioned for the body of the letter. Next comes the thank you. It's not compulsory. If you want you can write. Otherwise you must write compulsory yours, yours. Don't go with apostrophe s. Yours faithfully. So you have to use the only word faithfully, no comma. Next line alli xxx anta bariri, and the last line you have to go with the